Welcome to your guide to creating your digital masterpiece. The link from your purchase will bring you to this preview page. Click on the Use Template button to get started. If you have a Canva account, your template will load into your account, and you will be ready to start. If you do not have an account, you can create an account for free by following Canva's account setup steps. Once you are logged into your Canva account, the template will be loaded into the design page. From the design page, you can customize nearly all the elements of your templates and export your design ready to send to your friends and family. The first thing we will do is change the name of the design. At the top of the page you will see the product code. Click on this and add the name of your design. We will call this invitation Hannah's 21st as this is the invitation we will be creating. You will hear me refer to elements during this guide. An element can be anything that makes up a design. A text box, an image, a photo, or a background. Some of the elements within this design are animated. We will show you how this works and how you can edit the design to your needs. All of the elements are locked in position. This is to prevent accidental movement or removal of an element as you start with Canva. To edit an element, first unlock the element by clicking the padlock in the top right. If the padlock is not displayed, click on the three dots, and the padlock will be displayed in the drop-down menu. Once an element is unlocked, you will be able to move, edit, resize, or delete that element. Do not worry if you accidentally move or delete an element. There is an undo button on the top blue bar just to the right of the resize button. OK, onto your template. Your template is made up by a number of elements. In this tutorial we will be editing some of the text, changing some of the graphics and adding a photo into this design. Let's get started. First, we are going to add a name into the invitation. Click on the text box labeled name, and click on the padlock in the top right-hand corner to unlock that box. Once the box is unlocked, double-click on any of the letters in that text box, and a cursor will appear. You can now edit the text within that box. If the name you are adding does not fit in the text box, we can move the box or resize the text to fit like so. This also applies to the other text boxes in this design. Once you are happy, we advise locking it back in position so we don't accidentally move it as we continue to edit the design. Now we're going to change some of the graphics. We will change the age on the design from a 30th to a 21st. To help you change elements like this, we have created resource pages below the invitation pages. Again, I'm going to unlock the element I want to move first. In this case it's the number 3. And I'm going to remove it by clicking the bin icon that appears when you select an element. I will then replace it with the number 2 by selecting and dragging that element to the invitation page. As we move the element from the resource page onto the invitation page, Canva will provide guidelines to help you align the graphic. I will repeat this step with the other elements. We have applied the same animations to the replacement elements so that you can customize the design without needing to worry about the new elements not preforming as expected. We can preview the animations by clicking the play button in the top right next to the share button. This button also displays the total running time of the design. We will expand more on this later in this tutorial. Now our invitation reads 21st, not 30th. Again, I will lock these in position so I don't accidentally move them as I continue to edit the design. I will repeat the process of unlocking the elements and editing the element in the information box and RSVP box. You can change the font if you wish by clicking on the font button on the top left. Please be aware if you are using a free version of Canva, anything displayed with a crown is a premium product and is not free to use within the free account. You can also change the color of some elements by unlocking them and then clicking on the color box in the top left. If no color box is displayed, then this element does not support color change. On the second page of the design in the top right is a frame. Frames are shapes you can add a photo to, and they will crop the photo to that shape. To add a photo, you must first upload the photo into Canva. Click the Uploads button on the far left of the design page, click the Upload File button, and select the image you want to add from your device. Once it has been uploaded, add the photo to the design by clicking on the photo. Then click and drag it over the frame and wait for the frame to show the photo inside the shape before releasing the photo. You can resize and move the image within the frame by clicking on the frame until the outline of the image is displayed. Now you have customized your design, we will explore the animations within your design. Depending on the design you have selected, you may see a number of pages for the design or just the one. Click on an element within the design and unlock it. You will then see on the top bar the animation that have been applied to the element. If you click on this button, it will display the animation options for that element. You can change the animations if you wish. This covers the animations applied to the elements within the template. Next we will look at the page length. Click on the background and in the top left you will see a scissor icon with a duration of time displayed next to it. This is how long this page will be displayed for. Each page has its own length according to its place in the design and the amount of information displayed. You can edit this by clicking on the scissors and sliding the bar left and right. Once you are satisfied with your changes, you can download your invitation ready to send to your friends and family. To download your invitation, click on the Share button in the top right, then click the Download button. You will need to unselect the resource page at this stage, as this is not needed now, and if not unselected will be displayed at the end of your design. For animated designs, select the MP4 format. This can be shared on social media and multimedia messaging services. Thank you again for your purchase, and if you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to contact us.